Welcome to another video. We're gonna be in the backyard today. I want to show y'all a new project that I picked up that we're gonna be working on. I had it for a little bit. I did start doing some work off camera, but yeah, here we go. So, what I've done to it so far off camera, replaced the water pump. Oh, that shit did not look good. New thermostat and brand new radiator. So issue with it had coolant leaks and it was running slightly hot because it was losing coolant. So you can see there's still all evidence of coolant everywhere, even though I tried to clean up a little bit. As of now, from me running it for a couple days, still has the coolant where it needs to be, right there. I did try to tighten one of the hoses on the bottom just now, so it did lose like just a little bit, but that's from running for a few days. And usually like the next day, the coolant will be low compared to where you left it. So I still gotta throw the cover back on. The old radiator's in trash already. But yeah, so today I just want to throw that cover on and then go through it. And this is how I got it. So I'm trying to clean it and all that, replace a few things. I already got some stuff that I'm gonna change on it, some things that I got for it. Yeah, so I think right now I'm just cleaning it. And if you can see, this where the Civic used to be, so the Civic is gone, but we gotta replace that right there. I'll probably end up replacing the front one too. It's got that dent right there, so I don't think that could get fixed, but so they'll probably be replacing that. But I went ahead and did buy some stuff for it. Show y'all one today. It's probably gonna be the biggest difference on the truck. So this is what we put on it. This is 22 by 12 on some 33s. And then I got a leveling kit for the front, but I might throw the wheels on first, just see what it looks like, and if I have any clearance issues, and then if I don't like it or if I need to raise the front up, I will do that. But yeah, that might not be on today. So today we're just gonna clean. So I try wiping it down, and not to just keep it clean, but in case I do have more leaks then I could see it. But the coolant residue is like not really, like it looks like it's wiping off, but it comes right back. So I probably have to use something different to keep it off. But yeah, so I'm just gonna move to the inside and just get a trash bag and pick out half of the stuff that I'm not sure what it is. So let's do that. So I had to stop halfway to show y'all this. So this is what this side looks like. That's the side I haven't touched yet. That's the back. That's the mat. It's the front mat. Haven't touched it yet. But let's go see the side that I have been working on. Mats. So I don't think it looks that much different. Either just the shop vacs not doing nothing, or it's just too much stuff. But we did get rid of like the bigger stuff. So right now I'm just vacuuming and just get as much as I can, then probably come back and do some more vacuuming. Maybe with a brush and some compressed air or something. And then later on, detail and clean, wipe down, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's what I got done so far. So update, we're about to lose sunlight, but this is as good as I got it for today. It's definitely not done at all. Yeah, it's runs good so far. But yeah, whatever animal was in here, I bet you that thing is all around. Because all this here, tank I left in here. Yep. So here's the back. But yeah, it's got dust and all kinds of stuff we gotta clean. The dash, all that, but that's for a different day. So, if you wanna see more of this? Tune in. I'll catch you on the next one.